You know what time it is. And I'm not talking about game day either. Bird gang. Boil you some water with some little potatoes. Get you a cup. Get you some seasoning. Get you some cheese. Okay, a dab of olive oil. Mozzarella cheese. 1 potato. Smash the potato. Little bit more olive oil. Add some seasoning. Add some more cheese. Repeat the process. Now you end up with something like this. Let's put it in the oven. In you go. See you in 20. And now you should end up with something like this. Bird gang. Some yummy treats with the boo-boo. How is it, babe? What's the star rating?
Is that fair? I can't taste anything.
I know, we're all sick, but give it a rating.
It's good. 5 stars.
5 stars.